When it comes to in-house manufacturing, the biggest benefit that we get is we get control over our product start to finish. 10 years ago, everything was batch oriented. We were making parts, we were trying to guess what customers were going to be buying, building the components when we got the order, throwing a little bit on the shelf, and then we might get lucky and have what the customer wanted when they placed the order. Today, better than 85% of our orders that we receive them in the morning and we're shipping them that day, certainly within 48 hours. And we're using our lean manufacturing, our equipment, our good people and processes to put those components on the shelf and actually build orders on demand. So our customer sees it as readily available as a stock product, but what's happening is we get the order, we collect the parts, we pull them, release them to the shop floor, assemble them and ship them in a very quick manner. We've got a fantastic new lathe that we just put in about 6 months ago. It's a Mazak Integrex, very capable lathe. It does some amazing things for us. With the nature of our business, we're trying to get customers what they want instead of the product that we're putting on the shelf. And what that does for us in a lot of cases is we have to make one shaft at a time. And in the old process, that was a very inefficient, time-consuming, and a big problem for us when we're trying to put that product into the customer's hands very quickly. We have to set up a lathe, a mill, a grinder, several different miscellaneous pieces of equipment just to get that one shaft, and it just lengthened that cycle for the customer. With this new lathe, what we do is we take a shaft blank, throw it in between centers on that machine. We utilize a very powerful program that our engineers are working very hard to develop and tweak and improve every day. But really within 60 minutes or 75 minutes, we get a completed shaft, and that gets it to the customer a lot quicker and just totally compresses that delivery cycle. The changes that we've made in the shop floor over the past 2.5 years really reflect us trying to optimize the footprint of the building to match where our business is at today. Prior to April of 2010, the business looked a lot different than it does today. We are focused on the gear manufacturing that we're doing right now. And over the last year, or really the last 2.5 years, things have really changed as we've worked to optimize our manufacturing equipment processes, get our people where they need to be to support the assembly line. The assembly line is where the product heads straight to the customer, so everything is focused on doing that as efficiently as possible.